All right, excellent. So I want everyone to grab a sheet of paper. Notice that there are indeed two sides of a piece of paper. That happens every time there's a sheet of paper, there's going to be two sides. But in this instance, we're going to start by designing something for our partner, but we're going to think about a day in the life of us. We want to actually have you think about what happened to you yesterday. And we're going to kind of graph out our yesterday, and how we're going to do that is with this paper. At the top, you're going to draw, as Laura's drawing, a plus sign. And give it a little circle so you know it's important, and then a minus sign at the bottom.
The line does not have to be perfect.
Okay. I want you to think about like your emotions during your yesterday. Plus being like really high emotions, you were excited, or you were energetic, or you were very happy. And then the negative is being like maybe you were a little bit bummed out. Maybe you were anxious or nervous, just kind of more negative emotions, all right? So we see the differences: high emotion, low emotion. What do you think this line represents? No. Time. It represents time. We're graphing our yesterday, all of our yesterday. Time. This is time. Okay.
So this is the start of your day?
Yes.
And the end of your day.
There we go. Yes.
Yeah.
You can hit start and end if you need. I think it's optional.
Yeah.
All right. So if I was thinking about my yesterday, you know, I just love mornings. They're fantastic. So I would start maybe like over here, I guess, probably. And then, you know, I would like, oh, and then this bad thing happened, and good thing happened, bad thing. Whatever that looked like for you, you're going to kind of graph what happened to you yesterday, given your kind of emotional levels, right? Laura, do you have an example of like what that could look like?
Before you all showed up, I thought about my day.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Look at
That's
that.
like the cooking show. They took the ham out of the oven. They just put it in there. How is it cooked?
Yeah.
Here it is.
So you're going to have about 3 minutes to make your own map of what your day looked like, the highs and the lows. And if you'll notice on mine, I kind of did what I did, and then I put it on the map of how it made me feel. It shouldn't be that surprised that I was up early and that was not so great. So think about what you did and where it sits on your map. Was that made you feel good? Did it make you feel not so good? And you'll just have about how long, Lou?
Just 3 minutes.
Just 3 minutes.
All right. Ready?
Yeah. And again, imperfect.
All right. Go ahead.
Remember not to overthink this. This is not about getting it right. It's just about getting it done. You don't have to include everything that happened to you, just the big highs, the big lows.
All right, about another minute. Finish that last little drawing up, that last plate of spaghetti you had for dinner or whatever it is. So what you're going to do now with your graph is you are going to share it with your partner. And you're only going to have 3 minutes to do that, okay? For your other partner, I want you just to listen. I want you to listen really actively. I don't want you to interrupt. I don't need you making judgments like, really, that's what they ate for lunch? Tuna salad? Who eats tuna salad anymore? No judgments. You're just listening to understand. Okay? Sound good? So who's going to go first? We need a partner A and a partner B.